Hello, this is John Bruno from All Ability Cycles, and I want to talk to you about the Draisin Plus and how to separate the two portions of the Plus for easier transporting. I'm going to start out by coming over here and showing you right here. That cable is linked into the seat mesh here. Needs to be disconnected. It's just Velcro. Comes loose. All right. We're now looking for right here. That can be loosened just by hand. Don't need any wrenches. Okay, and as a result, this portion of the handlebar that has all of the controls, and most importantly, has to do with the brakes on the bike, can come back here, and there is a temporary handle. See it right here attached, and here is the hand tightened unit. Okay, so we're going to bring this controls unit down here and tighten it up. Okay, and so now the two sections are linked up here. Matter of fact, it's right there. But our next step is to come right back here, and here's the kickstand on the back. And we want to put that kickstand down. All right. So now we've got some stability in this back portion of the bike. All right, and we're coming up here to the handle, and to disconnect, we've got this little latch here, and this latch, when it's pushed forward, is going to allow this handle to come up, and the result will be the two portions of the bike disengage, and right here is the latch. I took it out, bring that back, and now the wheelchair portion is disconnected from the back portion with just one little important connection. I should have gotten that earlier. It's the electronic connection to the battery, and it allows the power from the battery to go to the motor in the back. And so now we have the total disconnection achieved, and we would be able to move the bike in two separate pieces. And this front chair portion continues to have a brake lever right here, and that brake lever would allow it to be locked. But most importantly, as you're continuing to push your passenger around, this would allow you to take someone into a restaurant or someplace else where the back portion of the bicycle was not necessary. And you may have noticed that I've also got a second portion of the handle that can go back in here and to be tightened. One other thing. When you're moving the bike, sometimes it's too wide for doorways because of these handles sticking out. And as you can see, those handles can be loosened and dropped. This side with a hand tightening. This side over here, you're going to need probably a 5 or 6 millimeter wrench to be able to loosen right here and drop this down. So, the Draisin Plus can be disconnected easily, and in another installment I'll show you how it can be reconnected.